Hey your people, what is up and welcome to my new tutorial. In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how I got unlimited dice rolls and money for my Monopoly Go game absolutely free, safe and online without downloading any modded APKs or any software. So guys, you can do it with your Android, your iOS or even with your PC. So for start, let's go to Google or any browser you have. Navigate to this website, it's called appsnik.com, you will find it easily guys. Then let's search down below for Monopoly Go. Click there to load up and then we'll have to enter our Monopoly Go user ID or our username. So guys, if you don't know how to find your Monopoly Go user ID, don't worry, you can click here how to find it and you will have explanation how you find it, or let me quickly show you. So go to your Monopoly Go, go to three dot menu up there, go to settings and just make sure to copy your profile, user ID from your profile here. Let's close the game and let's get back to our tool. Make sure to paste it, click continue, and it will start searching for our user account, guys. And you should get this message, user found. So there we go. Now we will select all desired amount of our dice rolls and money. I will select this amount, it's currently the maximum. Click continue guys, and third step will load up and API will start connecting. So guys, make sure to subscribe to my channel in order to stay updated with all these kind of reviews and tutorials, because I'll record it more. So yeah, let's stay in touch and let's see now what we'll get. There we go. Look at this, guys. API is connected, user account is connected, and now we'll have a few minutes to complete this bot captcha because there is a lot of malicious bot attempts. Just click I'm not a robot and let's see what we'll get. So there we go. Look at this, guys. Thank you for passing the bot check. Dice rolls and money are on the way. Our user ID, our dice rolls and money are sent. Now we will open our Monopoly Go and we will see is it actually working. So guys, we will test it together. And let's wait for this loading screen. So after this, guys, we will see is it actually working or no. And let's wait for this. And guys, I will click on this and look at this. We're actually receiving our dice rolls and our money, guys. It works amazing. I'm so excited because it actually worked. So appsnik.com is only working website where you can get all those amazing dice rolls and money, guys. I'm so excited and I'm going to play Monopoly Go until the rest of the day. I'm so excited I cannot even speak, guys. That's pretty much it for this tutorial. I hope you enjoyed and found it helpful. If you do, make sure to like this video, to comment down below and to subscribe to my channel. And once again, thank you so much for watching and see you in the next video.